Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you can recover if anything breaks. Confirm a current full backup and incremental retention for 30 days. Next, verify you have an admin account and working SSH or console access so you can act immediately. Once ready, create an inventory of running services, their versions, and known CVEs. This tells you where to focus. Do this quickly. It minimizes surprises and lets you move straight into targeted security and quality fixes with confidence. You now apply prioritized patches, starting with critical and then moving to high and medium issues because urgency matters. While patches install, run unit and integration tests followed by smoke and quick performance checks to catch regressions. These validate quality. Once tests pass, integrate the updates into your CI/CD pipeline with scripted deployment and a tested rollback plan. This reduces human error and ensures fixes remain reproducible. Make sure to monitor logs and metrics continuously during rollout. You finish by verifying production. Confirm monitoring alerts are green and sample user flows work. Then document every change, versions, rollback points, and owners, so the team knows what changed and why. If something goes wrong, first use the rollback point. If not available, try reapplying the patch after clearing caches and restarting services, because many issues are transient. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the problem in a staging clone before broad fixes, which prevents cascading failures and speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.